Welcome to Stealthy Finance Tips. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, compound interest. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or planning your retirement, understanding compound interest can transform your financial future. Today's topic: the ultimate guide to compound interest for beginners. First things first, what is compound interest? Definition of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. In simpler terms, it's earning interest on interest. How it works? Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. At the end of the first year, you'll have $1,050. In the second year, you earn interest not just on your initial $1,000, but also on the $50 interest from the first year. This means you will earn $52.5 in the second year, bringing your total to $1,102.5. As you can see, each year your investment grows more than the previous year because the interest keeps adding up. This is the magic of compound interest. The formula. Now, let's look at the magic formula for compound interest. Don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. A is the amount of money accumulated after n years, including interest. P is the principal amount, the initial amount of money. R is the annual interest rate in decimal. N is the number of times that interest is compounded per year. T is the number of years the money is invested or borrowed for. Why compound interest matters? It's because it can significantly boost your savings over time. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. Long-term growth, simple interest and compound interest over 30 years. Here's a comparison. If you invest $1,000 at 5% simple interest for 30 years, you'll end up with $2,500. But with compound interest, you'd have over $4,300. That's a big difference. Tips to maximize compound interest. To maximize the power of compound interest, here are a few tips. Tip 1. Start early. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow. Tip 2. Consistency is key. Make regular contributions to your savings or investment accounts. Tip 3. Reinvest earnings. Keep your interest in the account to benefit from compounding. Tip 4. Choose the right account. Choose accounts with the best interest rates and compounding frequency. The more frequently interest is compounded, the better. Conclusion: understanding and utilizing compound interest is a game changer for your finances. It's never too late to start, so take the first step today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Stealthy Finance Tips for more personal finance tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.